The deck is flawless. There are no seams, joints, stitches, or sandpaper grips. Singular piece of machined aluminum with embedded silicone on the top surface for traction, so it's rigid but still comfortable to stand on. Even the kickstand is part of the deck design and not some third-party kickstand. The scooter has been glossed over with the perfect finish, with 3 separate coats, and it will never rust. Now up to the handlebar. This is what really grabbed my attention first. A magnesium alloy handlebar, and it's a really comfortable grip to hold. Pressure-sensitive brake, throttle, horn, menu button, and no visible wires. On the other side, you have a flush-mounted LED headlight. The wheels are made of solid rubber and puncture-proof. You see the little air pockets spread throughout the wheel? That design actually acts as the front and rear suspension. The braking system is very responsive. One gentle push and the dual electronic anti-lock brakes will activate. And the harder you press, the harder it brakes. They also have a friction brake in the back in case you need some extra stopping power. This model has dual motors to give you extra power and pep. The motors are custom built utilizing rare earth neodymium magnets. And another really cool feature is the one-click easy folding mechanism on this. UNAGI patented a stainless steel hinge, and this is the easiest scooter I have ever unfolded. Now let's take this thing out and I'll tell you a few more details about it. So light. The motor size comes in at 12.7 centimeters, dual motors, one on each wheel, which you can change mid-ride, which is important because if you start going up a hill, you don't have to stop. You can just turn it on while you're riding and it gives you that extra boost. With the dual motors on, you can go up a 15-degree hill with no problem. The max torque is 32 Newton meters and 1000 watts instant max power. And when you have dual motors on, it speeds up really quickly. The tires are 19.05 centimeters. And as I said earlier, the shock mounts are basically built into the tires. However, this doesn't make it completely smooth on rough surfaces. You will feel the bumps and some of the grooves in the road. With the electronic brake, it's pressure responsive. And on a dry road, it'll stop in 4 meters or 13 feet. The max weight load on this thing is 125 kilograms or 275 pounds. And one thing that I noticed is it's really easy to turn. The maximum range on this is 25 kilometers or 15.5 miles. The top speed is 25 kilometers per hour or 15.5 miles per hour, although you can unlock it to ludicrous mode, which is where you can max out at 30 kilometers per hour. I like to think that this is the perfect city cruiser, especially if you want to stand out from everyone else that has the same old boring scooter.